second. So we are going to import, right? We are going to import the data from MySQL to Hbase. Okay, that is data importing from the structured database to unstructured database, right? How to do that? So we have yesterday session we did how to import the data from the SDF MySQL to SDFS, MySQL to Hive, right? So today we'll see how to import the data using Sqoop import to Hbase. So as usual, write the Sqoop import statement, Sqoop space import. Then you have to write the connection string. Okay. So after that, I'm using the JDBC connection method to connect to the database. My database is MySQL, which is available in a local host. Okay. Now here, okay. So when you're trying to import the data, we specify that whether you are going to import, whether you are going to import to existing Hbase table. Okay, so already one table is there in Hbase. You want to you export the data to existing Hbase table. Otherwise, you want to create a table schema in Hbase, similar like MySQL, and loads the data into the table. Okay, so we have the two different ways. One is just import into the existing Hbase table. Otherwise, now when you're going to import, we are going to create a table structure. After that, we are going to load the data into the table, right? So if you are going to use an existing table, so just write the table name here. So now I'm using my table name, some Sqoop mp. This table I want to import to the Hbase. So in Hbase I have a table. Okay, so which table you are having, this write the table name and the table family name you have to write. So I'm having already one Hbase table. So the table, some table, you take it as a Sqoop test is Hbase table name. So in Hbase every table must be belongs to a family. So just write the column family. I'm going to show you this. Okay, so Sqoop family I'm writing here. Okay, now I have started the Hbase. So I'm going to create a table in Hbase. In Hbase, to create a table, just you have to write the create. Now which table you have to create? The table name Sqoop exp demo, right? I'm going to create a table. The table name is Sqoop exp demo. Okay, so in Hbase every table must be belongs to a family, so you have to write the family name. So here I am going to create a family. The family name is Sqoop family. Okay, then press enter. Okay, the table is created. Which table? The table name is Sqoop xp demo is the table name, and this table belongs to a family Sqoop fam. Right, now to see, I can write describe Sqoop exp demo. Okay, so this is the definition of the table Sqoop exp, right, which belongs to a family. If you want to display the records, you have to write the scan, which is like select to start from, right? Scan Sqoop exp demo. It is an empty. Okay, do we have any data? No, we have an empty data. So now what I want to do, now I want to import the data from this MySQL Sqoop exp table to the Hbase table Sqoop exp demo, right? For this we have to run a Sqoop import command where I'm going to import the data from the MySQL to existing table in Hbase. Okay, so now right here Sqoop, then write import, then write the connection string, connect, then write the JDBC colon my SQL is my database which is available in a local host. Okay, and the database which I'm going to import is the test, and the table name is, what is the table name? Sqoop exp is the table name. Okay, then write the table name. And now, so whenever you are going to import to the Hbase, so what we have to do, we have to specify the table name in which table you have to import, and the table belongs to which family, right? We have to specify these two things. Okay, so then write the Hbase table name. So what is the Hbase table which I'm going to import? That is Sqoop exp demo is the my Hbase table, right? This Sqoop exp demo table belongs to which family? Sqoop family. So this right column family. Okay, what is the column family? Sqoop fam. Okay, so whenever you are going to import, they specify the row key. So in Hbase, every table must be enabled with a row key. So we'll see what about row key in Hbase session. As of now, remember, so we have to write the row key. So here Hbase row hyphen key. What is the key ID here? ID, right? So this one 1 2 2 3 is the key row key, right? So number of mappers I want to run 1. Press enter. Okay, retrieved 4 records. Now I'm going to the Hbase table. Okay, now write scan. Okay, Sqoop exp demo. Okay, Ajay and see it's imported 2 rows. Correct? We have 1 row 1 2 Ajay 2 3 2 3 3. Right? 1 2 2 3. These are imported to the Hbase. Right? So in this way we can able to import the data from the MySQL to existing Hbase table. Right? I'll write this again. See, I'll show this run again. First, I'm going to create a table here in my Hbase. How to create a table in Hbase? Raju, how to create a table? Raju, you did?
Create table.
Yes, Srikanth. Create, then in a code, right? Santosh.
Yes.
Santosh, Abhishek, Prithvi. You did?
Ajay.
Yes. So what we have to do now? Just write the create in a single code. You have to write the table name. Some new table I am giving.
Family name.
Okay. Comma. So every table in Hbase must belongs to a family,
Fam.
right? So I'm writing the family name as a TF. Okay, press enter. Then the table is created. Which table you have created? New table, right? If you write scan space new table, right? Now a table is created in Hbase. So what I want to do now, I have to import, right? So for that I have to run the Sqoop import command. So I just want to import the data from the MySQL Sqoop exp table to Hbase new table. Okay, so just write the command Sqoop, then okay, so just write Sqoop, then import statement Sqoop import. Okay, then after that you have to write the connection string connect. So I want to connect through JDBC. So connect JDBC colon. What is my database? That is MySQL colon slash slash. Right. What is the table name which you are going to import? Sqp exp. Right. Sorry. First the database name here you have to write. The test is the database name. Okay. And what is the table name? The table name is Sqp exp is the table name. Okay. So write the table name. After that, now what I have to do, I have to import this to the Hbase table. So now you have to write the Hbase table here. Okay, then right here Hbase table name, Hbase hyphen table. Okay, so what is your Hbase table name? Now we have created a new table, right? So the table name, right, new table is the Hbase table name. Okay, then specify this new table belongs to which family. So the column family, right? We have one parameter column family. For this column, now specify the what is the column family. So the column family is the TF. So write the column family as a TF. Now what you have to specify, number of mappers you want to run, right? Before that specify the what is the row key. So just specify Hbase, right? Every table in Hbase must be specified with a row key. So just write Hbase hyphen row hyphen key. Here I am taking ID as a row key, and number of mappers I want to run is 1. Okay, press enter. Okay, we got an error here. JDBC colon MySQL colon what we have right here, localhost, correct? JDBC colon MySQL colon slash slash localhost, and then the test. So this what we are discussing now, this is your job role. So in your resume, so what you write, role importing the data from MySQL from Rdbms to Hbase using Sqoop, right? So this is the job role in your resume for this. Okay, right? Now we have retrieved the 4 records. So now you can check here, scan new table. Okay, got it now? How to import the data from the MySQL table to existing Hbase table. Okay, suppose in the second scenario, I want to create a new table. So when I'm going to import, I want to import to Hbase, right? I want to import to Hbase. Whenever you are going to import to Hbase, so by default, I want to create a table and then loads the data in it. Okay, so now we are not loading the data into existing Hbase table. So when you are trying to import the data from the Sqoop, from the MySQL database, now during that import, Sqoop will get the data from the MySQL. After that, it will create a table in Hbase. After that, it loads the data into the Hbase table, right? So that's we are going to do now, right? So for this, we have to use a keyword Hbase hyphen create hyphen table. So we have to specify this keyword. Then hbase hyphen create hyphen table. Then specify the table name which you are going to, which table you have to create. So this table is going to be created, right? So let me run this. Okay, clear the screen. Now run the command sqoop. Then write import. So as usual, what is the connection string? Abhishek, connect. See JDBC
Connect.
colon MySQL colon slash slash localhost, and what is the database name, Shrikant?
Test.
Test. And then, right, what is the table name, Santosh? Which table you have to
Sqoop
import?
exp.
Sqoop exp is the table name. Now what we have to do, we have to create an hbase table, and after that we have to import the data from the sqoop exp to the new created hbase table. So for that I am writing a parameter here. So hbase table, right? Which table I have to import? New table 1. What my table name is, I'm giving this new table 1 is the hbase table which we are going to create. Okay, and for this table I just belongs to a family. So write the family column family. So what is the column family I'm giving? New table family ntf. Okay, so the column family is ntf is the column family name. Tough. So did this new table one exist? No, right? Now we are going to create the new table, right? For that, we have to specify one parameter hbase hyphen create hyphen table. So when you write this parameter, now hbase will try to create a table with the table name new table one. So you have to write the parameter hbase hyphen create hyphen table. So and finally specify the what is the row key hbase hyphen row is the id. Okay, now press enter. So now it will create table with the table name new table one, where the new table one belongs to a column family ntf. After that, it will import the records. Right, we got an error here.
Uh, Not mentioned mapper, I think so.
Hbase hyphen. Now we have to specify the row key. Okay, now right, Abhishek, you got this error. Now we have to specify the hyphen
Yeah,
m1 is the number of
mapper.
members. Prithvi. Okay, now retrieve the 4 records. Now you can see the table name. Now I'm going to Hbase terminal. So if you write list, okay, so we have the table name. What is the table name? New test, right? New table 1. Okay, so new table 1 is created. Then write the describe new table 1. Okay, so table families belongs to NTF family. Now write scan new table 1. Press enter. Okay, so this is how we imported the records by creating a new table in Hbase.